Start a sketch in the top view. Freely place lines and perimeter circles according to the geometry of the clip. The ends of the lines should maintain a vertical relationship. Delete parts of the circles that are no longer needed. Now that we have the geometry, proceed to define the dimensions. As you can see, the sketch appears completely in black and not in blue, which means it is correctly defined. In the side view, draw a circle with a diameter of 1 mm and confirm the sketch. To generate the solid, use the Sweep Boss base operation. And select the section and the path. Great! To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck!